Welcome to this quick walkthrough on how to create and manage program tokens in Asset Naming Configuration. To get started, navigate to Tokens tab. Tokens allow you to dynamically populate content across your assets, making programs scalable, efficient, and personalized. Now click on Create Token. Once the token creation screen appears, you'll be presented with a few key fields. In the token name field, enter a descriptive name for your token. Next, proceed by selecting the token type. In this instance, I am selecting Asset ID. When the token is of the type Asset ID, the actual program ID will be automatically generated upon the creation of a program, eliminating the need for manual input from end users. Next, click on Save. Now we're going to add another token, which is Program Name, and its type is Asset Name. Similar to Asset ID, the Asset Name token is also generated during program creation and is used internally. Again, it's not visible or editable by end users. Save your changes by clicking on Save and confirm by clicking on OK. Now we are creating our next token. Enter the token name as Program Execution Status. Select the type as Picklist. The sequence is 1 as this is the first token visible to an end user while creating the program. Asset and the sequence remains unique, and sequence determines the display order of tokens when they are shown inside the asset editor. When the required checkbox is selected, the user must provide a value for the token. It cannot be left blank. Save your changes by clicking on Save. Let's create next token. Enter the token name and select the type to date. Provide the sequence as 2. Save your changes by clicking on Save and confirm by clicking on OK. Let's create our next token. The token name is End Date. The selected type is Date, and its sequence is 3. Check in the required checkbox. Save your changes by clicking on Save and confirm by clicking on OK. The next token is Description, and its type is Text. Sequence is 4, and it's marked Required. Save your changes by clicking on Save and confirm by clicking on OK. As we have selected the program execution status to Picklist, we need to configure the values to this Picklist. Go to Actions. Click on Maintain Picklist. We have two options: Create New Picklist and Upload CSV File. If we choose Create New Picklist, we need to manually add the display name and display value for the picklist. If the default checkbox is checked, this option value will be selected as the default value for the token program execution status. Save your changes by clicking on Save and confirm by clicking on OK. We also have another option: Upload a CSV file. This is helpful when we want to add multiple values at once. We can select the CSV file. Select the file and you can choose between append or overwrite. If we select append, this will add the newly added values along with the existing ones. If we select overwrite, this will replace the existing values with the new ones. If neither option is selected, append will be selected by default. But here we're selecting overwrite. Save your changes by clicking on Save and confirm by clicking on OK. The Picklist options have been added. We also have the option to export the Picklist, which is useful if we need to export the values. Now we have configured the tokens and we'll use this when creating the program asset. Thanks for watching.